It's the moment of truth for Faye's duck breasts.
Guys, that's really under.
That's under.
2 under.
Yeah. Is there another tray of duck in the oven already?
Yes.
Swap them over, quick. In the oven, go, Brady, go.
How long? 2 minutes? 3 minutes?
With only minutes to go, Saliha has decided to make potato croquettes to bulk up her vegetarian dish.
Pace has picked up a little bit, yeah. I mean, obviously we were expecting that to happen, so it's all go now.
That's undercooked, it's not ready. In the oven, top shelf, in the oven.
Just waiting on a bit of duck. I can't believe that. I'm so annoyed. I just don't want to let the team down.
Do you want a hug?
Steve?
Where's your fish?
It's coming out now. Just need another 30 seconds. The fish is just cooked.
Nice dish, nice looking dish.
Right, first 5 are ready to go.
Go. Let's go, quick, you're behind.
All right.
Perfect.
Quick. Ducks on those next 5.
We're going pretty quickly.
Keep going. Don't slow down.
Another fish coming out now. This is good, yeah. Done.
Service.
The blue team's main course is roasted halibut topped with a langoustine, butterbean mash, sea vegetables, and finished with a langoustine bisque.
I had the halibut. I found it lovely presentation, very well balanced the dish. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. Actually, I have double portion.
But it was lovely. It was really good. I thought it was very well cooked, beautifully presented.
The samphire was delightful. The bisque was great. I'd happily pay for that all day long. Great.
When I think they did that in a tent and served it to 60 people, I think that's quite remarkable. That's like decent brasserie standard.
The red team's main course is roasted duck breast, butternut squash puree, a duck leg bonbon, and cavolo nero, served with a duck and port sauce.
The flavours are really complementing each other really nicely. I'm happy with my choice.
It can be a bit risky to have like this many portions of duck, but it was really well cooked and the tastes were really lovely.
It's absolutely delicious. Everything works really well together. Loved the bonbon. That was amazing. Yeah, just really enjoying it. Yeah, really nice.
They struggled with that duck, but it tastes great. Any veggies up yet? Come on.
Keep pushing. Whoops. It is mad, but you know what? It's actually really exciting.
Go on, up you go.
This is my second batch. I've got one more batch to go.
For the vegetarian dish, the red team's made ricotta and herb ravioli, served with a pumpkin chestnut veloute, girolles, and pangritata.
So I had the ravioli. Maybe if I had to be super critical, I would think the ricotta kind of masked some of the subtler flavours that were in there. But all in all, no, it's great. Yeah, it's good.
The parmesan crumble on top was delicious. And the truffle I thought might be overpowering, but it was not. It was perfect.
The sauce and the mushrooms is absolutely lovely, but the blandness of ricotta is taking away from the rest of the dish. It could do with a boost of something, mushroom or truffle, or even black pepper.
Ready with the first 5?
Smashed it, Talia. Smashed it, girl. Absolutely smashed it, girl.
This ain't a normal restaurant.
No, exactly.
Saliha?
Yes?
Well done. I'll tell you what, I want to be a vegetarian today. That looks smashing.
Thank you, Greg. Guys, one more veg.
Yeah, got it.
The blue team's vegetarian dish is a smoked aubergine curry, a spiced potato paratha, a green chutney, and a last-minute addition of a spiced potato croquette.
Well done. Well rescued. Well rescued.